Hi guys, my name is Irene Zap and welcome again to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, kindly consider subscribing and also hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So today we are here at the middle of the forest. We are going for a nature walk, and yeah, it's a beautiful place. So I'd like to take you around so that you may see how things looks like here. So please come with me. Yes, I'm telling you, this is Africa. See now? They're saying do not go beyond this point. Okay, so we have to go back. You hear in the background some people are talking. There are a number of people inside here who also came to visit the place. This is the small stream here. It's almost drying because there is no rain. Sometimes it is good to go for a nature walk. That is according to me. I don't know what about you, but according to me, sometimes it is good. I have like a few months and I've not done this, so I'm happy. I'm happy that I'm here, and I'm creating some memories also. You hear that amazing sound from the birds? It's amazing. It's amazing. Yeah, so guys, we are still in the middle of the forest. Boy, we are getting lost now. Guys, we have come to the end of our video. Thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate for that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and also like the video. You can also share the video with your friends. Thank you so much, and may the Lord bless you all. Bye. See you in my next video.